What happens to your body if you use castor oil daily? Have you ever explored the incredible benefits of castor oil? This versatile elixir, celebrated in various cultures, boasts remarkable health and beauty benefits. Its amazing properties extend far beyond what you might expect. Did you know that castor oil can be a powerful ally in combating acne? So make sure to watch until the end to discover much more. Before we delve deeper, we invite you to join our health-conscious community. Subscribe now and activate notifications, so you never miss out on our informative new videos. So, after all, what is castor oil used for? Castor oil is not a new discovery. In ancient Egypt, it was burned as fuel and used as a natural remedy, even to stimulate labor in pregnant women. Traditionally recognized as a powerful natural laxative, this oil has recently gained prominence thanks to a variety of beneficial properties, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial actions. In this video, we'll delve into the multifaceted world of this golden elixir. Join us as we reveal its secrets and explain why it's become a favorite in the health and beauty industries. Get ready to explore 10 ways castor oil can help you heal naturally. And trust me, benefit number 7 will surprise you. 1. Moisturizes and nourishes the skin. Castor oil is a key player in the beauty industry, from makeup products to skincare lotions. It's especially valued for its deep moisturizing qualities. Thanks to its rich content of ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid, castor oil excels in locking in skin moisture. This prevents dehydration and ensures your skin remains deeply hydrated for longer. Experience the nourishing touch of castor oil in your skincare routine. By mixing a spoonful of castor oil with coconut or almond oil, you create a powerful skincare blend. This mixture not only deeply moisturizes your skin, but also helps in preventing allergic reactions. It forms a protective barrier, leaving your skin incredibly soft and smooth. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial qualities of castor oil work wonders against wrinkles, dark spots, melasma, scars, and acne. It also helps in preventing the clogging of pores, which is essential for maintaining visibly healthy and clear skin. For best results, apply this nourishing mixture to your skin before bedtime every 2 weeks and watch your skin transform. 2. Enhances hair health. Castor oil is a popular choice for those looking to combat dandruff and boost healthy hair growth. It's enriched with vitamin E, omega-6, and omega-9, key nutrients that contribute to stronger, more vibrant hair and nails. When applied to your hair, castor oil works to thicken and smoothen your strands. Its rich nutrients effectively seal hair cuticles, safeguard the scalp and hair follicles, and prevent frizz by reducing static electricity. The outcome is stunningly beautiful and shiny hair. To maximize these hair care benefits, warm the castor oil by rubbing it between your hands, then gently massage it into your scalp for 5 minutes. Leave the oil in your hair for up to 30 minutes to allow deep penetration. This massage not only activates scalp circulation, but also stimulates hair growth, particularly due to linoleic acid, omega-6, which is known for its hair strengthening and nourishing properties. For optimal results, it's recommended to apply the oil 2 to 3 times a week, consistently over time. 3. Helps relieve joint pain. Ricinoleic acid, the primary component of castor oil, is known for its exceptional anti-inflammatory properties. Topical application of this oil has been shown in studies to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Individuals with inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and psoriasis may find the analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects of castor oil particularly helpful. Animal studies and laboratory research have revealed that ricinoleic acid can significantly reduce pain and swelling. Furthermore, treatments using gels containing this acid have demonstrated considerable decreases in pain and inflammation when applied to affected areas. It's important to note that while these findings are promising, human studies are needed for a comprehensive understanding of the effectiveness in treating joint pain. Castor oil, known for its warming properties, is effective in promoting the circulation of body fluids, thereby offering relief from muscle pain. To experience these benefits, apply the oil with a gentle massage on the affected areas. For best results, massage the oil in a circular motion for a few minutes, allowing it to penetrate deeply into the muscles. Regular application can help in achieving sustained relief from muscle discomfort. 4. Supports wound healing. Applying castor oil to wounds can significantly enhance the healing process. This oil creates a moist environment that is conducive to healing, stimulates tissue growth, and forms a protective barrier that reduces infection risks. Additionally, castor oil helps in minimizing dryness and crust formation on wounds, which prevents the accumulation of dead skin cells and thereby aids in faster healing. To use, gently apply a thin layer of castor oil over the clean wound. Be sure to use a sterile applicator or a clean finger, and avoid applying on deep or heavily bleeding wounds. Ointments with castor oil are allies in healing bedsores, wounds resulting from prolonged pressure on the skin. A comprehensive study has demonstrated that the application of castor oil ointment resulted in higher healing rates and shorter healing times compared to other methods. 5. Antifungal benefits. Castor oil is renowned for its remarkable antifungal properties, primarily due to the presence of ricinoleic acid, which constitutes about 90% of its total fatty acids. This key component is effective in inhibiting the growth and reproduction of various fungi, making castor oil a potent remedy for fungal infections like ringworm and athlete's foot. To incorporate castor oil into your antifungal routine, simply mix it with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil. A recommended ratio is 1 part castor oil to 2 parts carrier oil. Apply this mixture regularly to the affected area until the infection subsides. As with any topical treatment, it's advisable to do a patch test first to ensure there is no allergic reaction. 6. Laxative effects. Castor oil acts as a natural laxative, increasing the movement of the intestinal muscles and providing relief for constipation. When ingested, it is broken down in the small intestine, releasing ricinoleic acid, its primary active component. This acid then stimulates the intestinal lining, inducing a strong laxative effect. For effective results, it's recommended to take approximately 1 tablespoon of castor oil, which is approximately 15 milliliter. Due to its rapid action, you can expect a bowel movement between 1 and 3 hours after ingestion. It's important to note that, while useful for occasional constipation, castor oil is not recommended as a long-term treatment. 7. Denture cleanser. Maintaining clean dentures is crucial for good oral health, and castor oil can be a valuable ally in this process, thanks to its antifungal properties, particularly effective against Candida albicans, a fungus associated with dental issues. To use it, simply apply a few drops of castor oil directly onto a soft toothbrush. Carefully brush your dentures, ensuring that you reach all areas thoroughly. Afterward, rinse the dentures under running water to remove any residue, leaving them clean and refreshed. If desired, you can opt for an alternative denture cleaning method by mixing a teaspoon of castor oil in a cup of warm water. After brushing your dentures as usual, soak them in this solution for approximately 15 minutes. This practice, supported by scientific studies, has demonstrated significant reductions in the presence of Candida, leading to improvements in clinical signs of stomatitis, such as inflammation. 8. Promotes eyelash and eyebrow growth. Castor oil can work wonders for promoting the growth of eyelashes and eyebrows, following the same principles as hair care. Here's how to do it. Apply a few drops of castor oil onto a cotton swab. Gently pass the swab over your eyebrows, ensuring the oil is evenly distributed. Allow the oil to work its magic for about 30 minutes. After this time, gently rinse your eyebrows with water and a neutral soap. For best results, repeat this process weekly. Over time, you'll notice a fuller and more vibrant appearance of your eyebrows and eyelashes. This practice can also be extended to eyelashes, applying it once a week. And for men, a valuable tip: Castor oil is a valuable addition to your grooming routine, especially for beard care. Here's how to use it effectively. Place a few drops of castor oil in the palm of your hands. Rub your hands together to distribute the oil evenly. Massage the oil into your beard, ensuring it reaches the roots. Leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your beard and face with water and neutral soap. You can use castor oil on your beard up to 3 times a week. It's recommended to wash your beard before application to facilitate oil absorption and achieve a moisturized, nourished, soft, and shiny beard. 9. Migraine relief. Due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, castor oil can be an ally in relieving migraines. You can apply the oil topically through a gentle massage. Begin by gently warming the castor oil. Submerge the desired amount in hot water for a few minutes until it reaches a comfortable temperature. With your fingertips, gently massage the forehead and temple area using circular and soft motions. Apply comfortable pressure during the massage. For an even more effective migraine relief experience, consider adding a few drops of essential oils known for their relaxing properties, such as lavender or peppermint, to the castor oil before application. After the massage, leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes and wash the area with warm water and mild soap. If you prefer, you can leave the oil on overnight for extended relief. Just remember to wrap the area with a towel to prevent any potential staining of pillows. 10. Natural remedy for menstrual cramps. Castor oil can serve as an effective natural remedy for menstrual cramps thanks to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, primarily provided by its main component, ricinoleic acid. Here's how to use it. On the first day of your menstrual cycle, when cramps tend to be most intense, find a comfortable place to lie down. Apply castor oil to the lower abdominal region. Use gentle, circular motions to massage the area, focusing on the areas where the pain is most intense. Dedicate a few minutes to this relaxing massage to help alleviate cramp discomfort. To enhance the relaxing effect of castor oil for menstrual cramp relief, consider using a hot water bottle on the treated area after the massage. This can provide additional comfort and relief. Repeat the process as needed throughout the menstrual period, adjusting the frequency based on the intensity of the cramps. Although castor oil offers a variety of benefits, it is crucial to use it in moderation and follow specific recommendations. When administered orally in excessive amounts, it can cause unpleasant side effects such as intense cramps, headaches, nausea, and diarrhea. Topical application in large quantities may result in skin irritation, contact dermatitis, and staining if exposed to the sun for prolonged periods. Certain precautions should be taken, and the use of castor oil is not advisable for children, breastfeeding women, pregnant women, as this oil can induce labor, or for those with specific medical conditions, such as appendicitis or any other bowel-related condition. The safe amount of castor oil can vary depending on its purpose. For topical use on the skin, hair, eyelashes, or eyebrows, the amount can vary. Generally, a few drops are sufficient, and if possible, perform a patch test to avoid allergic reactions. For use as a laxative, a common dose is 1 tablespoon, but caution should be taken not to exceed the recommended doses, as high consumption can cause side effects. In case of any side effects or concerns, it's highly recommended to seek immediate medical assistance. Please remember that this video is intended for educational purposes only. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Were you already aware of all these amazing benefits of castor oil? Have you been using it correctly, or do you have any additional tips to share with us? Feel free to leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and best friends so they also will know the amazing benefits of castor oil. If you want to stay informed about health and wellness, consider subscribing to our channel and allow the notifications to stay updated. Don't forget to check out the recommended video for more valuable insights. See you in the next video. Bye.